A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the video lecture series of Effective Technical Communication. We have started chapter number 3, that is Technical Communication. What we have studied in Technical Communication? So first of all, we have studied about what is the meaning of Technical Communication. Then we studied about different public speaking methods. Okay, then we studied about do a group discussion. Then we studied about the group discussion. In group discussion, we also watched one video in which how to communicate in a group effectively, that we have studied. After that, we studied about the presentation strategies. Where are these strategies used? That we have also studied. Okay. Now, today we are going to study about the interview skills. Our next topic is interview skills. Okay, if we want to define an interview, what is the meaning of an interview? So, interview is a conversation between interviewer and interviewee. Okay, so the conversation between interviewer and interviewee is known as interview. Okay, what is done in the interview? The interview is basically used to share the knowledge, is to obtain the information of the interviewee. Interviewee is the person who is giving interview. Interviewer is the person who is taking interview. So what is done in the interview? Exchange of information. Right? The interviewee will share his or her information to the interviewer. Okay, so this is known as interview. See, the word interview can have different meanings. For example, if any celebrity is giving interview to the reporter, okay, so that is a celebrity to a reporter interview, in which it can be one-on-one, it can be many-to-one. For example, many reporters are taking interview of a celebrity or a politician, right? So that is a different interview. Okay, we are interested in studying about the job interview. So what is job interview? Job interview is again one-to-one or many-to-one conversation between the people in which the interviewee is asked about his or her academic qualifications, his or her qualities, then work experiences, projects undertaken, to know the good and bad qualities, the characteristics. So each and everything is to be shared by the interviewee to the interviewer. So this is about the interview. Okay. Let's study the skills that are required to give a proper interview or effective interview. First of all, the first thing is do introspection. Now, what is the meaning of introspection? Introspection means you have to know about yourself. You have to be very clear about yourself, and you have to make sure that how you are going to present yourself in the interview, right? Second thing is dress appropriately. See, dressing sense is also very much important to boost up your confidence while you are going in any MNC for an interview. So your dressing should be perfect. You have to wear formal clothes, polished shoes. Okay, you can also wear a tie, a blazer. So dressing is also important while giving the interview. While in some companies, like in IT companies, the culture followed there is little bit different. But we are not considering the IT companies, we are considering the chemical companies, in which while you are going for interview, you have to be well dressed. So dressing sense is also very much important to create a positive impression. Okay, you have to also display the non-verbal communication effectively. You all are very clear about the non-verbal communication, like hand movements, gestures, eye contact. These all are known as the non-verbal communication. So, okay, if you want to show your good non-verbal communication skills, then first of all, while you are greeting the interviewer, so first of all, a handshake is required. Okay, while you are talking with him or her, then eye contact is required. If you will do eye contact, then it will show your confidence. Okay, a firm handshake, hand gestures while you are explaining something, then you have to use the hand gestures. You have to also look into the eyes of the interviewer, and there should be a smile on your face. Okay, if you will keep a smiling face, the interviewer will be attracted and it will look more effective. Okay. Then next is listen attentively. See, listening is also one of the important communicating skills. Listening is also one of the important communication skills. So listening carefully is very much important so that you can answer the questions correctly. Some people have a bad habit that they do not listen everything. They, without listening the whole question, they start answering. So this should not happen. You have to take care. Okay, so listening attentively is one of the important points. Answer the questions fully with relevance. If anybody is asking the question, then you have to answer to the question of that particular question only. There is no need to give the unrelatable answers that are not related with that question. Okay, so relevant means that is related to the question. Okay, if he or she is asking you about the project, then you have to only explain about the project. There is no need to explain anything else apart from the project. Okay, so you have to answer the questions with relevance and prompt response. Okay, prompt response is also very much important. If you are asked a question, if you will answer that question promptly, then it will again show a good quality of yours, that you are sincere and you are well prepared for the interview. And you have to also try to prepare the questions that are likely to be asked. Search on the internet that frequently asked questions in an interview, then you will get a number of questions. You have to also prepare that questions. Okay, use correct verbal language. Correct verbal language is also important. Correct grammar, sentence formation, it is a basic requirement for the verbal language. Otherwise, that particular person will not able to understand that what you are trying to speak. Okay, and you should avoid the slangs like oh, ye. So these type of slangs should be avoided while you are talking someone professionally. Okay, while you are talking with someone professionally, so take care about these type of slangs. Okay, do not speak too much. Some people have a habit of speaking too much. Okay, but you have to forget this. You have to keep in mind that you have to keep mum. There is no need to talk more. Okay, जितना पूछा है उसका ही आंसर दो, यहाँ वहाँ की बातें नहीं करनी है. Okay, be professional. Sometimes the interviewer will try to show that he or she is very cool and friendly, but there is no need for you to become cool and friendly and casual. So there is no need to become casual. Just follow the rules and regulations that you have to be professional. Do not try to show your openness, and you have to maintain the professionalism. Okay. After that, ask questions. While interviewer is telling you that if you have any type of questions, then you can ask. So you have to ask more and more questions about the job profile, about the process of the company, about the company. Anything related with company you have to ask. Do not ask about the salary directly. This will create a bad impression of yours. Before asking salary and perks, you have to first of all ask about the structure of the company, the process of the company, the system of the company. Okay, this is more important. So this was about some of the important tips of the interviews. This will definitely help you in future while you will be going to fetch a job. Okay. One more thing I would like to add in this. It's now movie time. I will show you a small video in which a panel is taking interview of a candidate and how that candidate is answering the questions. You have to keep in mind and make sure that you are noting that points. How that particular interviewee is answering to the questions, make a note on that. Okay? So here's the video for you.